Last month, my friend paid $247 in bank fees. I asked him why. He said, "That's just how banks work." Wrong. I've spent years studying banking systems. Here's the truth. Most people aren't told about the options that could eliminate these fees completely. In the next 4 minutes, I'm showing you 5 strategies that could save you thousands every year. Let's go. Welcome to Wealth Decoded. Today, we're covering 5 banking strategies that most people never discover. Everything here is legal, available right now, and tested. Let's start. Strategy number 1, the 5-minute phone call. Here's what banks don't advertise. Almost every fee is negotiable. Maintenance fees, overdraft charges, wire transfers, annual fees, one call can wipe them out. Here's how. Call your bank. Ask for retention. Say this, "I've been with you for years, but these fees are high. Can you help?" 70% of the time, they waive it immediately. Why? Keeping you costs nothing. Finding a new customer costs them hundreds. I tried this last year. 5 minutes, $420 saved. Almost nobody uses this. You can push further. Ask for better savings rates, lower loan interest, free services. They can do it. You just have to ask. Strategy number 2, earn hundreds of times more interest. Most savings accounts pay 0.01%. $10,000 earns you $1 per year. High-yield accounts pay 4 to 5%. Same $10,000 earns $500 annually. Same safety, FDIC insured, massive difference. Why the gap? Traditional banks usually pay very low interest on regular savings accounts. The fix is simple. Open a high-yield account, Marcus, Ally, American Express. Many banks offer this. Transfer your savings, done. Now your money works for you. Strategy number 3, stop paying credit card interest. Carrying $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest costs you $1,000 per year. You're paying just to owe money. Here's the move. Balance transfer cards offer 0% interest for 12 to 21 months. Move your debt there. No interest, pay it down during that window. There's a small transfer fee, usually 3 to 5%, but compare that to 20% annual interest. On $5,000, you save over $800 in year 1 alone. Cards like Citi Simplicity and others offer this. The goal? Pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. This strategy sounds small, but it's powerful. Strategy number 4, automate your savings. We spend what we see. $2,000 in checking, you'll spend $2,000. Solution? Automatic transfers. Set up $50 to move from checking to savings every payday. Over a year, that's $1,200 saved without thinking. Better yet, roundup programs. Coffee costs $3.50, the app rounds to $4, saves 50 cents. Sounds tiny, but hundreds accumulate over time. Invisible savings, real results. Strategy number 5, use your money twice. This last strategy is my favorite because it pays you on money you were already going to spend. Credit cards offer a grace period, 21 to 25 days before charging interest. Here's the strategy. Put monthly expenses on a credit card, leave cash in a high-yield savings account earning interest. Pay the card in full before the due date. You earn rewards, build credit, and make money on funds you were spending anyway. Real numbers? $3,000 monthly spending, sits in a 5% account for 30 days, earns $150 per year. Add 2% cash back from the card, that's $720 more. Total benefit? Nearly $900 annually, just by changing how you pay. Quick recap? 1. Negotiate fees. One call saves hundreds. 2. Switch to high-yield savings, earn hundreds of times more. 3. Transfer debt to 0% cards, save over $800. 4. Automate savings, build wealth invisibly. 5. Use credit strategically, earn $900 extra per year. None of this requires special access, just awareness. Most people aren't told these options exist. Now you know. Which strategy are you trying first? Comment below. Want more strategies like this? Subscribe, turn on notifications. Next video, how to boost your credit score by 100 points in 90 days. Completely legal. This is Wealth Decoded. Better information, better results. See you next time.